Yo, this is David Omari, and back when I was 19 years old, I was working a 9-to-5 job at Macy's, earning only $11 per hour. I was still going to college, I was dead broke, and I had no idea what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. The only thing I could always think about that I was interested in was watching YouTube. I'm talking Ali A, Call of Duty clips, GTA clips, sneaker content, you name it, I watched it. I was a massive YouTube watcher, but as I grew older, I started to realize two things. First, I didn't want to work a 9-to-5 because I wanted to make money online. And two, all the guys that I was watching on YouTube were making lots of money. I mean, online, they were literally living their dream life. And a light bulb went off in my head. I know I'll be a YouTuber. That way, I can quit my 9-to-5 job and make a full-time living from home and live a better life. So I felt inspired and I started my first YouTube channel, and the videos I published for my first channel were simple. I did screen recordings of me gaming on my Xbox, super basic, but I didn't show my face or use my voice in the videos or anything like that. And guess what? The first couple months, they were a disaster, right? But I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I got a few views, but ultimately made $0. I thought about throwing the towel in because I kept on publishing videos on YouTube and I just couldn't crack it, like nothing clicked. Week after week, crickets on crickets, month after month, crickets on crickets. For the life of me, I could not publish a video that would get views and make me money. Until one day, I gave it another roll of the dice and I uploaded my fourth video. Now, I didn't know it at the time, but I accidentally published a video that was optimal for viral. And by sheer luck, I woke up one morning and saw my fourth video had like 10,000 views, then 100,000 views. Then it had 500,000 views. That one simple video ended up making me thousands of dollars, and man, it felt amazing, especially considering I didn't show my face or even use my voice in any of the videos. But remember, it was just an easy screen recording of some gameplay from my Xbox, and that's when I discovered that there's actually a whole nother side of YouTube where these simple faceless videos do really well. Just think about it. You've got sports highlight channels, you got top 10 channels, gaming, motivation, luxury, and so many other cool niches that don't involve the channel owners to even show their face or use their voice. Yet people are watching and consuming hours of their content. So a second light bulb went off in my head, and I then became super interested in the faceless videos side of YouTube. And that's when I discovered something that we call YouTube automation. This is a powerful business model which involves other people making faceless videos for you. That way, all you have to do is publish these faceless videos to your channel, and once they're created, they gain views and they make money. This was perfect for me because I didn't need to worry about making videos myself, showing my face, or even using my voice. Heck, this changed my life because following this YouTube automation business model enabled me to make just under $970,000 in only 11 months, excluding brand deals. I've also had $140,000 months, $70,000 months, $20,000 months, $12,000 days, and generated millions of dollars from just one of my channels since I first started as a beginner. Now, this has enabled me to quit my job, cop my dream car, and buy a luxury home in my 20s. So please understand, the potential to make money on YouTube is insane right now because we are living in a creator economy. Content is king. Those who publish content make money. It's that simple. And I want to show you a step-by-step roadmap for starting YouTube automation and growing your own faceless YouTube channels so you can finally take advantage of this golden creator economy opportunity no matter who you are. So look, I achieved my success through a lot of trial and error and frustration, but I want to shortcut your success by showing you exactly how to get millions of views on YouTube, endless loyal subscribers, and thousands of dollars per month without ever having to show your face or use your voice, without ever having to spend money on fancy equipment or ads, without ever having to create a single video yourself, all in the shortest time possible. I know that might sound crazy, but look, hear me out, because it's not just me experiencing success with this business model. My students are too. So how is this possible? Because I finally compiled my decade of experience, literally 10 years of my life, on YouTube into one easy to follow self-paced program called YouTube Mastery that you can actually join today. So if you aspire to make money online, I'm excited to let you know that you are so close to receiving your first payout from YouTube without ever having to show your face or ever create a single video yourself. Because inside YouTube Mastery, I reveal the field-tested steps to follow for exploding your first faceless channel. I've helped many students who were once beginners achieve a ton of cool milestones like hitting 100,000 subscribers, gaining 1 million views, or even hitting their first $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, and even $100,000 online. And today I'm showing you guys how you can do the same. Yes, you can make excellent money on YouTube and experience the thrill of generating millions of views regardless of your experience, but there might be a few bumps in the road. But with the right support and guidance, you really can get your bag up and reach your goals, even if you tried every other business model under the sun, and even if you created videos or being some outgoing extrovert is the last thing you feel like doing. Because listen guys, I'm showing you how to do YouTube automation where you can remain completely anonymous, and I'm so happy that you have stumbled across this video, because if you feel disconnected from where you are right now, then I'm here to help you literally start something new and exciting. I'll show you the system from publishing faceless videos to YouTube, and it's going to be in an automated way. So you guys can start making income from the most popular video sharing platform in the world. I'll even grant you exclusive access to our supportive student community of other YouTube automation business owners, so you guys are never in this alone. There's really no better way, and there's really no better time to transform your life than now. You deserve to take advantage of the creator economy, but to do so, you must act now. And the reason is it's pretty simple. Right now, you are still early to the creator economy. Don't take my word for it. According to research from Goldman Sachs, the creator economy is set to grow significantly over the next few years, and it could even approach $500 billion by 2027. In other words, this is an industry that is set to boom, and there is still so much room for growth as demand for content continues to skyrocket, which is why I say you need to get in now. While there's still so much upside, while there's still so much opportunity for you to make money from things like ad revenue, brand deals, donations, and much more. You only need a tiny slice of this creator economy pie to make excellent money. So if you want in, the time to act is now, before this industry takes off big time. Tap the green button down below on this page, enter your details, and join our supportive community and step-by-step training program inside of the YouTube Mastery. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Let's go.